Timor-Leste today officially opens its first round of maritime boundary negotiations with Indonesia. The talks held over 2 days here in Dili and concluding on the 20th of August 2025 brings senior officials together in structured discussions to reach a permanent boundary agreement.
It is not easy. It is not just making a line in the sea. It is under international law. It will take time, but I believe that it will be not for long, because the chief of the delegation said we are here, we are committed to work together.
This follows years of informal dialogue and technical exchanges. Both governments say the process is guided by international law and the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea, underscoring their commitment to peaceful resolution, regional stability, and stronger bilateral ties. A successful outcome would mark the final step in securing Timor-Leste's full maritime sovereignty. Leaders stress that such an agreement is vital for governance, marine conservation, resources management, and national security. From Palm Springs Hotel, I'm Digna Sarang with Joanico de Araujo reporting for TATOLI.